Manufacturing can bring in other ideas and goals and job opportunities.
It's a people-focused business. Lots of people coming together, working as a team, working with some really cool equipment in order to make a product that our customers want and need.
The coolest part is everything from the corrugator to maintenance, shipping, making boxes for some of the bigger name customers.
My job here is safety, environmental, and health. A strong culture, safety culture here that allows the frontline leadership to teach, coach, and train.
We really focus on taking care of the folks that work for us because we believe they're the ones that make the difference. So the great thing about the paper and the corrugated packaging industry is that it's a completely renewable, recyclable industry.
So we recycle batteries, we recycle oil, we recycle paper.
The water that goes back into the system as far as going to the water treatment plant, because that water comes back out into our streams. And
highest recycled material of any packaging material. All of that material gets brought back into the paper mills and ground back up and mixed with new trees in order to continue making paper. Because each box can only be recycled about 5 to 7 times. The fibers, every time you recycle them, get a little bit shorter, and eventually they're a little bit too short to use. So we have to continually use new trees as well.